If you love fabric bundles that already work together and are ready to use, keep watching. This nutmeg and cream 5-piece fabric bundle of 8 by 10-inch cuts gets more textured and more interesting as the reveal goes on. It includes a nutmeg colored, it's kind of a boucle type weave. It's looped. Let me give you a close up. Okay. And it's a medium weight, lighter medium weight fabric. And it pairs nicely with this silk blend woven. And you can see the variation of textures. This does have a stabilizer on the back. And look how those two textures look side by side. Okay. This piece is a nice faux leather in a nutmeg kind of saddle color. Okay, you can see the texture. And you usually don't find this type of fabric in fabric bundles. So this is kind of a felt back. This is a softer type faux leather. Let's put that together with these as we build out this bundle. So look at those three textures there. Look how nice those play together. Okay, and our next piece, this is a lighter weight raw silk, and it's in a more of a beige, kind of lighter beige color. So this one is ivory, kind of a cream, and this is, you can see the difference in the colors, okay? So that gives you another step of color. Okay, see the texture of that weave. And the same on the back, as is normal with silk. Okay, so let's put all those together. Okay, so look at that. Look how well those work. And this piece kind of brings everything together. You have colors of nutmeg to cream to the warm beige color that was in the silk we just saw. So here's a close-up. Get a better angle there. And this is the back. And it's a lighter weight. So let's put those together so you can see how well this piece brings everything together. Okay. And that rounds out the bundle. If you like this palette, the link is in the description below.